the boat is coming here. It's your turn.
Okay, we're on the next boat, and it comes out of that. Oh, there's a caves there.
After your cave, through the cave, please go outside.
Okay, we brought our boat across to this part of the island, and now we're going to go up this river that goes into these caves. There are monkeys around, you just got to be a little bit careful. I think this is our one now.
Pagtapos po ng course sa loob ng cave, labas na lang po kayo.
Yeah. Yeah, you can get in there.
The middle is good.
Where would you like to be, in the middle?
Yeah, do you want to sit? You can sit here. Can I sit?
We need to balance the boat.
The middle of the boat, there's water.
Okay, we've just got some audio.
It's got 500 ang first trip niya, 1.5 ngayon, 1.4 ngayon.
Ha? 1.4. Oh. Kanina first trip 500, tapos Mari pa oh. Dapat nga yan ang sa akin kay Mari, nauna nga ito, bakit? Bagus nga. Malakas na ng agos ng lutay.